Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In our last session, we discussed introduction to TMAP and how to join data and how to filter data. In this session, I'm going to discuss what are the characteristics of TMAP and how many ways we are using TMAP and all those things. So for that, we require some data sets. So before going to that session, so I just want to show you how to create some sample data sets by using tRowGenerator component. In this session, I'm going to discuss you. I'll create two data sets. One is employee basic. That employee basic table contains ID, first name, and last name. In the second table, I'm going to create employee info, ID, street, city, state, age, and salary. So I don't want to write all the all the one by one line in Excel. So in Talend, we have a component called tRowGenerator. If you want 10,000 sample records, you have a chance to create by using those tRowGenerator. So let's jump into the session. Okay, first I'll create tRowGenerator. So before going to that, I'll use the log grow. First I'll show, then later I'll push it to the DB. So I'll connect it to, okay, this one. Fine. In this, what is our first requirement? ID. First one is ID. Second one is first name, priority first name, and third one is last name. Okay. This one is integer. ID is integer, and okay, fine. I'll remove this one. Okay. The first name. So here you have a multiple functions. You supposed to use one function. I'll show you talent get first name. String handling. Where is that one? Talent data generator get first name. This one. Okay. And the second one you're supposed to use. Where is that one? Talent data generator. Sorry. The last one. Okay. A sequence. Where is the numeric sequence? This is the numeric sequence, string integer. It should be start. What is this environment variables? I just want to. Okay. If you click this one, you have a setup. The startup value is one and step by one. Now click by OK. Check the schema, edit the schema. Don't enter like lens. If you want to enter, enter the lens. It should be 6. It should be the first name should be 40 or it should be 60. It should be 60. It's not a mandatory, but just like this. Okay, just run this up. Oh, then we got 100 records, but I want 1,000 records. How we are going to change? Click on this component. Click on the row generator editor. Okay, here I want 1,000 records. Click OK. Click OK. Click this run. And I just want the data should be in tabular format. So go to the one, click on the table view, click on this one, click this one, click the clear. And now click on the run. Okay, 1,000 records are there. So there is you have a chance to check all this one. Abraham, Pilka. These are the first names and last names, which are sample records. Okay. Now, what's my task is the second task is I just want to integrate entire this table into database. I'm going to delete this one. So now we are going to take PDB output. Okay, sorry, the database should be the MySQL. We're supposed to select this. Okay, PDB output. Just connect this to this one. Okay, fine. Now MySQL is this thing. Use an existing connection now. The property type already repository. Now DB connections metadata is there. Click this one. Now action on table. Action on table. Create table if does not exist. Table name should be EMP underscore basic. EMP underscore basic. Schema. Where is my schema? Okay. Action on table. Where is my schema? I just want to edit schema. Edit schema. Okay. As everything is sync, let me check as if everything is goes well. AMP basic one. EMP basic one. The database is tested. Okay, fine. Let's see. Turn to clear running. So it's everything is fine. So now I want to check. Where is my MySQL workbench? Or else I'll go with terminal. Terminal. Sorry. No, MySQL user root minus p. Okay. So databases can use S2. Okay, database changed. So tables. Okay, fine. Now select star from EMP underscore basic one. I think this is the right table. Basic one. Now, okay, fine. 1,000 records are inserted in our dataset. Fine. Now I want the second table. So for this, I'll deactivate this one. So before going to deactivate, I'll activate again and I copy and paste again. Now I'm going to deactivate this one. Now clear this one, go this one. What are the things we require for this? I'm going to delete first name, last name also. What are the things we require? Again, I'll sorry, click on OK. Yes. Job note. ID, street, city, state is and salary. Okay, fine. Click this one. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's move. What is this one? street we want, city we want, state we want, third one age we want, salary, salary we want. This is the string. Now, how we are going to? Is a string. We have street. This is talent data generator. Street we have, but those are US streets and US states. This is get city we have, and another one is state. We have state. We have another one is how we are going to define this is. So for this is, I'll take for integer, salary also I'll take integer. Mostly we are taking employee ages. So I'll consider in this my data sets, I'll consider every employee joined like 23 years age. So they first starting job, I think starting job should be something like 23 years. That is the reason. So here I'm considering, sorry, here I'm taking a numeric random int. Random int. The minimum value should be 24 and the maximum value should be like 45. Okay. The age is the age minimum value should be the 24 and the maximum value is 45. Okay. Now for salary, salary also the random numerical random will take, and the minimum value is 15,000. Max value is 1,50,000. Okay. Now I'm clicking OK. Yes. But for DB connection, I require small changes. What are the changes we require? I'll change the employee info 2. Okay. And for the edit schema also, I'll change some values. Street should be 60, city should be 60, state should be 60, A should be 10. It consumes more data, but I'm just uh, specifying all this in order to avoid the errors. Just I'm syncing the columns again and click on the edit. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. Now, okay. Click on OK. Okay, this one is deactivated. Okay. If you activate this one is also should be, if it is also activate position. So then our row generated ID should be something like we are using the sequence numbers. In this for this job, for this sub job, it will take 1 2000, and for this sub job, it will take 1000 to 1001 to 2000. So that is the reason I am deactivating this one and I'm activating this one. Because I want this sub job to be start ID should be start with a 1. So now I'm running this one. I hope it should start with the 1. I'm clearing this one and running this one. No errors, I think. Connected, disconnected. No, sounds good. Fine. I'll go and check. Where is this? My terminal. This is my terminal, and I'm checking short tables. Okay, fine. Select start from EMP info to EMP info 2. Okay. Is everything is fine? Sorry, underscore is there. EMP info 2. Fine. So this is the, okay, fine. The IDs are unique. Now, in the next session, what I'm going to do is I'll use these two data sets, and I'll for the second table as a lookup table, and first table I'll use a main table. And I'll use the tmap, and I'll use some functions, string functions. In this also, we also use the we also use the system generated functions, and all those talent, get first name, last name, state, city, and minimum, and all those things. So in the next section, I will use tmap and tmap briefly. Okay. Thank you so much.